the ongoing saga of the faulty Bosch dishwasher. Now we've got E09s constantly, won't wash, and it's tripping the RCD out in the meter box, which is earth leakage detector. So after 4 weeks, 3 call outs, a replaced motor or replaced pump and heater, and this is the end result after 3 hours of operation. E15. So we seem to have a Bosch service that can't repair a dishwasher, and when we complained to Bosch, they said fill out a customer survey. So that's a joke. So a big fat 0 for the quality of Bosch products, and big fat 0 for customer service. Thank you, Bosch. And I wouldn't be buying a Bosch dishwasher. So that's what you get.